Fuchsia! Where are those girls? It's almost time for the ball. The carriage will be here any minute. Begonia! Fuchsia! Where are those girls?
Oh, darling, what happened? You look like something the cat dragged in.
And you? Did you catch cold? Your nose is all red.
It is not!
Oh, yes, it is, and your eyes are puffy.
Well, your dress is ugly and the prince won't like it.
Not as much as he'll hate your hairdo.
Well, I'll marry the prince and live in the palace.
When I marry the prince, I'll not even invite you over for dinner.
When I marry the prince, I'll never even notice you. You'll be as if dust beneath my carriage wheels.
You marry the prince?
Well, we can't both marry the prince.
I suppose we can't, can we? Perhaps we should work together.
Work together? What do you mean?
Like this. If I marry the prince, I'll invite you to live at the palace.
I see. And if I marry the prince, I'll invite you to live at the palace.
Sisters should be friends.
And always help each other.
Here, let me help you, sister. Let me tie your ribbon. That'll do the trick.
Now, let me fix your sash, dear. It has come undone here. Doesn't that look slick?
My, but you're looking pasty. Let me add some powder to your lovely cheek.
Oh, you look a little cheap, dear. Let me change your lipstick to a nicer shade. That should last for a week.
Here, let me turn that leg.
Let me fix your earring.
Let me move your pin.
Here, let me see that slipper. It's no good for dancing. Let me break it in.
Look, here's a thread that's hanging. I know how to fix that with a little jack.
You've had a real bad hair day. Let me get some hairspray. If we use a lot, we can make it work.
You need to look your best, dear. Let me fix your dress here. Something's out of place.
Now, let me fix your collar.
Stop or I'll holler.
I'll break your face!
Oh, there you are, girls. This isn't any time for playing. We're going to the ball. Now, get ready. Oh.
We are two loving sisters, always help each other, turn the other cheek. We're never mad or jealous. When it comes to fellas, you will find we're too pure, kind, gentle, and meek.
Here, let me help you, sister. You've been looking poorly.
You've been looking